Class 7 Science, Chapter 1 Time and Motion. Measurement time in ancient time, sundial, sand clock, water clock, modern में watch, stopwatch and wall clock, pendulum, mechanical, electronic watch, measure time interval, show the to and motion, find periodic and amplitude and motion, slow and fast, speed in distance, time, meter per second, kilometer per hour, average, total distance upon total time, uniform object travel, equal distance, equal interval time, non-uniform object, unequal distance, equal interval time, represent on graph, distance, time graph, bar graph, bar chart, line graph. Chapter 2 Heat and Temperature. Heat is a form of energy flow from hotter to colder object. Measure joule calories is hotness. Coldness is the comparing node. Temperature measure in Kelvin, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit. Heat causes expansion, contraction. Example: railway line engine causes thermometer is the temperature measure. Thermometer, mercury, digital, alcohol, what daily use. Clinical laboratory is transformed by conduction, convection, addition, condition through medial material without movement of material, through fluid by movement particle. Medium or material is the form of wave. mean IR rays. ये through solid. इसकी application convection की electric kettle, AC room heater, ventilation, sea breeze, land breeze, laws of can prevent an example vacuum flask. Chapter 3 Electric current and its effect. Electric current flow in the electric circuit, and when it is closed, flow in form of a positive to negative terminal, and electric current type C is parallel or represent electric circuit diagram standard symbol, and due to negative terminal potential energy result in potential difference, measure volt, and has effect electric current के heating, magnetic, chemical, heating use electric iron kettle, magnetic, electromagnet are use electric kettle, wizard train toys use electroplating, hazard can be checked using earth wire, fuse, MCB. Chapter 4 Light, Shadow and Reflection. Light form of energy, travel speed 328 meter per second, vacuum. The bounce of a cycle light is called reflection. Comparison regular reflection, diffuse when occur when parallel rays of light reflect incidentally like in plane mirror. Production virtual upright, electric, inverted, equal in size and the mirror of the end used in interior decoration. Checking one's appearance. And diffuse reflection when occur when parallel rays different direction. Look in rough mirror and the mirror and curved reflection server when are used in car, wing mirror, security, wind mirror, dentist, R mirror, concave, convex mirror, and they are bent by the enter another medium is called refraction, which is caused refraction is used dispersion of white light into spectrum. Color of the prism through prism color object depend on the color object reflect on our eyes, and the refraction is also through eyes cause real image from retina there through eyes through concave and convex. Chapter 5 Some natural phenomena. Some natural phenomena. Wind due to the movement of air exert pressure called atmospheric pressure. Wind direction, speed direction by wind wave, speed by anemometer. Air from hotter to colder region cause sea breeze and land breeze. And some natural phenomena. Storm are very strong high speed, equivalent by train and thunderstorm, and the tornadoes are the funnel shaped violent thunderstorm when occur low pressure area called cyclone are known as hurricane, typhoon, tropical. Chapter 6 Element, Compound and Chemical Equations. Basic language of chemistry involve atoms are the basis building block of matter, atom of element when combined in chemical, molecule, types of molecule element, molecule of compound, O2 H2 N2 show different atmospheric CO2 H2O, and a compound chemical bound different element, example NaCl CH3 COOH, mixture group element, molecule substance chemically not bound, chemical reaction are represented by balanced chemical equation by physical state. Chapter 7 Chemical change and reaction. Type of change, chemical change, physical change, chemical change, new substances, form, property, origin, mostly permanent, reversible, heat and light absorb, alter and chemical composition of substance, characteristic, color change, rusting of iron, evolution of acid, metal, evolution of heat, formation of precipitate, characteristic, smell, rotting of food, physical change, new substance, form, mostly reversible, heat and light does not alter the chemical composition, example shedding of paper, breaking glass bottles, separating solid solution, evaporation and crystallization. Chapter 8 Acid, base and salts. Substance may contain acid and base. Acid are the sour in taste, blue litmus to red, a type of organic molecule, strong and weak, concentrate, diluted, change in color indicator. Bases BBB, bitter in taste, red to blue, type of strong and weak, which are bases soluble called alkali, water soluble alkali. Salt are form acid plus base known in neutralization reactions, and type of acid, weak and neutrals. Chapter 9 Fiber to fabrics. Animal fibers and the wool fiber, silk fiber, wool fiber for intestines, the sheep, goat and yak. Silk fiber is smooth, soft and cocoon of silk worm. Wood production involves shearing, scouring, grading, tanning, dyeing, carding, making yarn, weaving and finishing. And hazard in the wool industry, anthrax called disease called by Bellicus anthrax. And the silk fiber is smooth and the silk cocoon fiber, live silk moth, egg, larva, pupa, silk moth, rearing of silk, sericulture, production of silk, reeling of the silk of this hand silk yarns. And the hazard is sericulture, respiratory in the silk related injuries. Chapter 10 Water. Water, a valuable resource of water, rainwater, groundwater, uses domestic, commercial, industrial, agriculture, scarcity, causes increasing population, increasing industry, global warming, deforestation, conservation, transferring of tubs, drip irrigation, plant more tree, rainwater harvesting. Chapter 11 Nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants, autotrophic by the photosynthesis, side leaf, contain chlorophyll, chloroplast, absorb sunlight, stomata, facilitates in oxygen, carbon dioxide gassing. As important example, give food, medicine, oxygen, provide habitats and the necessary condition, water, CO2, chlorophyll, sunlight, heterotrophic, insectivorous, saprophyte, parasite, symbiotic, eat, fulfill the need of nitrogen, Venus flytrap, piscer plant, and saprophyte, feed, dedicate plant, mushroom, cold load, parasite, depend on completely food plant. Cascata, mislet, symbiotic is the leaves of other organism mutually. Rhizobium and ligneous plant responsible for replacement of soil. Chapter 12 Nutrition in animal. Nutrition in animal. Human process of the nutrition involve the following 5 stages. Ingestion take place, help the teeth, tongue, salivary gland, digestion take help esophagus, stomach, small intestine, absorption, assimilation, digestion, and the ruminant. The main difference the process of nutriment, the process of digestion of food in 4-chambered stomach. Amoeba nutrient take place, help of the pseudopodia. Chapter 13 Transportation plant and animal. Transportation plant and animals to transportation animal through circulatory system consist heart, heart contain RBC, WBC, blood contain WBC, RBC, platelet, WBC flow through arteria, capillaries, veins, and through transportation plant in the vascular bundle, xylem, phloem, transportation of the root and the leaves, and the transport will the help of transpiration affected the humidity, temperature, soil size and leaf involve excretion in animals, agar the lung, sweet, kidney, or in plant, the agar sweet photos transpiration, resin, latex. Chapter 14 Respiration plant and animal. Respiration type aerobic and anaerobic respiration take place, presence of oxygen change, glucose plus oxygen into CO2, H2, ATP energy, mostly living thing. Anaerobic change and 2 O2, no O2 require glucose into ethanol, CO2 2AP occur. Some microbes and bacteria RBC in the bacteria. Breathing stage, breathing, cellular respiration, exhalation, breaking down this respiration, and carried the help of the organ system with the respiration system of humans, which is the organ at nostril, nasal cavity, windpipe, branch, lung, when have organ length size, stomata, help in photosynthesis. Some of the other animal, gills, fish, skin, earthworms, spanicle, grasshoppers, skin and frogs. Chapter 15 Reproduction in plants. Types of reproduction: asexual and sexual reproduction take place by the budding, fragmentation, vegetative propagation, spore formation. Type natural, artificial can take place. The root stem, the tubes, cone, leaf can take place. Cutting, grafting, tissue culture, vegetative propagation में है. Sexual take place in pollination happen, which lead fertilization lead into seed of the transform the seed dispersal. Chapter 16 Waste management. Waste management, source of fresh water, building, construction, hospital, domestic, and the disposal domestic through sewer system. Waste water, the treatment plant involve the stage of treating primary, secondary, tertiary, and the water is the converted the treating from water, sludge water into filmed water, use crop, field, agriculture, sludge, increase fertilizer, compost necessary to control the disposal. If not, various consequences occur. Chapter 17 Forest are our lifeline. Forest profile in the nature of the forest divided 4 layer canopy, crown, understory. Forestry filter uses regulate climate to prevent oil, check global warming, food and chain independent plant animal through food chain web, individual biodiversity, conservation of forest, afforestation in the forest life. Chapter 18 Soil. Soil form rock, physical, chemical, biological, climate change, land composition, air, mineral, water, organism, layer of origin, later and plant, humus, B origin, A origin में soluble मिट्टी, B origin crack and bedrock, R origin में soil profile, L and this the soil types of sandy, loamy, clayly, like humans, less property ठीक है ना. Property is absorption water by soil and excretion causes deforestation, origin or flood and rainfall. Chapter 19 Weather and climate adaptation. weather, climate, adaptation factor affect the earth, distance from the earth, sunrise, sunset factor affecting latitude, elevation factor affect the weather, temperature, humidity, adaptation of the climate, desert climate, temperate climate, tropic and cold climate. Class 7 science publication end.